Hi everyone, these are the directions to the Exposition Mastery Check. To start with, you want to review these guidelines for creating your Mastery Check, which specifically, you're using an existing work and idea, so remember you're not plagiarizing, and you're going to think about what you liked about the original one, consider your own experiences, and keep the essence of the original source, which is the Hunger Games in this case. You can use this example from the Greasy Save story to help you when you create your exposition. And remember, the exposition includes the characters, major and minor, the setting, and the conflict. And you can choose if you want to do both an internal and external or just one or the other. Here's the exposition for Greasy Save's story, and that might help guide you for yours. Now we're going to review how to create your exposition. Your first step is to choose one of these characters and highlight their name. Hamish Abernathy, Effie Trinket, Avox Girl, Cinna, or Caesar Flickerman. That will be your major character. Remember that your prequel must take place before the 74th Hunger Games and may not include Katniss or Peeta as a minor character. Second, fill in the chart below with the exposition for your original prequel story. So you will need to complete the areas that are in the yellow. So you've got your characters, the major characters, your first character, and possibly one other, but the major character is going to have to include one of these above. And at least one and possibly one other minor character. And the setting, you have two parts of that. The where, you're going to be choosing one of the districts and or the capital. And the when, you want to put in the number of years, a dystopian future, and to try to figure out how many years before Katniss's Hunger Games. And then for the conflict, again, you will choose either an internal or an external, or you can do both. Remember to turn this in once you've completed it, and have fun.